We can create a graph automatically by selecting the data range that we want to plot and going to Insert, Charts, and selecting the chart type. Here we are creating a scatter plot, so we select the scatter plot. We can also set the X and Y axis data manually by clicking on the chart, and then we go to the Design tab, click on Select Data, and under Legend Entries, we select Edit. Here we can see the X and Y axis values that we have set earlier, and we can also see that the left column, which in this case is dBH, was automatically set as the X-axis, and the right column, which in this case is height, was automatically set as the Y-axis. Again, we can manually adjust these values according to the data that we want to plot. Here we'll try switching the X and Y axis values around by putting the height under series X values and dBH under series Y values. Next, we would need to add some elements to our chart, and we can do this by clicking on Add Chart Elements. And for Windows users, you can also click on the plus sign next to the chart. In this course, your chart must have a title, appropriate axis labels, and a legend if you are plotting more than one data. Other elements that you can add to your chart include error bars, data labels, trend line, and grid lines. You can change the chart style by choosing from the available styles. And finally, if we want to see other ways we can visualize the data, we can click on Change Chart Type and select another chart type.